Can do everything and check. Good afternoon, brothers and sisters. This is our service for this afternoon for the late Mr. Brighton Nyakumbi. This body is going to be repatriated to Rusape. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yes. We're going to have another service. I'm not sure with the time allows us. We are going to have a repatriation this evening in Wheatbank. So we are just preparing for the... Unfortunately, most of the family members, they are not here in this area. They are in Wheatbank. We only joined by one family member who has just come to make sure that we have collected the right body, the right person. So did you check inside? Is the right person? Okay. So now we're going to send this body is going to Wheatbank for now. There's going to be a service, maybe to see some few friends, family members. Immediately after the service, the body is going straight to Rusape. Okay. Do you want to say something? Some people, they are not good on live, or you want to say outside?
Yeah.
Okay, not in here. Oh. No, it's not. Okay. There's only one man. Guys, Mr. Nyati, the car must come and get the body now. I've been talking to one of the family members. He said he's not in the right state to say something about the deceased. Yeah, so I'm not anditika kombi yangu tikwanise kurifesa ka chingopaka nechepamberi mbichana. Yes. Then I want the kombi kuti yoitore body so if yangoenda. Saka, I thought maybe I would talk to him, one family member, so that he can say one or two words. But he has just confirmed to me now that he is not in a position to say something. And I believe with the repatriating service in Wheatbank, I know a lot of people, the community is already gathered. They are all waiting for the body to come. Then there's going to be another service there. I wanted to have some few information about the history of the deceased. I think it was an accident because the body was taken from the forensics department. I think the death was not a natural cause. All right. And I want to thank the entire family. Vakakwanisa kuraisa mari yekuti hama yavo iende kuZimbabwe. And it's not always easy, guys, kutakura vanhu kuendesa kuraisa mari for my repatriation. As you can see that where I was inside, we still have got many bodies dziri vanhu vakangotizi. I don't know kuti my families vanenge vachifungei kuti chitunha chinogara nguva yakareba 2-3 months 4 months 5 months makangotizi ende mune munhu wenyu akashaita. So that's why we always encourage people. Yompani uri kuita sewa ichigwe ichi. Oh, all right. Unotaura ka aungokandi zvinhu pasi mutsoka ka. All right, guys. So it's always a concern for us as a company kuti dzimwe dzenguva why zvichitora nguva kuti vanhu vadzoke vatore body dzavo. So we are going to load this body with Mr. Nyati as usual. I'll call him. He's one of the senior drivers, a man who has worked very hard, guys, for this company. We say we're trying to load the body now. Kuti chitongobva panapa isusu zvatinokuitirai tinobva tati muone mega kuti ndo basa ratiri kuita iri patinokanganisa mobva mati improvira. The coffin is inside still mog. Muchawana rikolodwa now and over rapinda trailer. This is the big trailer that is going to take the body. Yeah. Reversa is no power. No pinda. I know that power. Say mafuta. Aya, anda kuza ino da mafuta. Ya so kwa depo wangu. Aya yatokwana. Yes, our driver Mr. Nyati is always, he's always smiling. A man that we always, yes.
Point A to point B.
Point A to point B. Mashikari ni kwa Zimbabwe.
2 days ago.
Yes, that's the time ya Magarissa. And yes. Now you're going to Mpumalanga, Wheatbank.
Yes.
To get the people from Wheatbank, you are going straight to... Aye wakan. Shangwa, furam trailer poti pinde, satokwana pane mochikari pap. So from now you're going to Wheatbank, you collect people. Yes. From Wheatbank you go straight to Rusape.
Rusape?
Yeah, going to Rusape. We don't know. We don't want to tell our drivers exactly the destination. We always want to surprise them on the last minute. But Mr. Nyati, there's that family from Zenda family. They were so happy about the service that Mr. Nyati takafamba nawo zvakanaka. We never had any problem. And then the other family, Port Elizabeth. What is the surname? That one, Port Elizabeth. They also said Gutaiwa. Service ya makatipa yakanaka. Thank you very much. It's always good and excellent and quality service. Anditika.
Yes.
Yeah, so I hope you drive very well. I just want to take the last part when these guys are putting the coffin in the trailer. Macha isere? Maisa coffin? Mkutatsa ne? Vuraton. Can you open Malum? It's not gonna work. That's a casket. Remember, you're going for a service now. That's a casket. Oh, you're on your way. So it's fine on you. We agreed that you are taking the body to Nyaradzo tomorrow. Yeah, so you must arrive here tomorrow around 10-11. The body is coming from Cape Town. Then you're here, you take it straight to Nyaradzo.
Let me pass you.
All right. You'll be here. Just try to be quick.
I want to, because I'm loading that side around 9.
Yes.
10, but I'll be here.
Okay.
I spoke to those guys. They said,
Lovely.
They're telling me these are the managers.
Yeah. I don't know. Everything will go very well. Jessica, you see, these drivers, they are professional drivers. They don't have time to rest because the number of people are dying. You also need to understand there are many. So we are also caught in between that sometimes they don't have enough time to rest. It's quite understandable. It's a concern. 2 days they come, they rest. I know, guys, that they are exhausted, but it's one of the what determines our business more is also to work with people who are dedicated. These young drivers, they come and mess things, they don't care and so on. That's why sometimes we have to continue to stick to Mr. Nyati and so on. I know he sounds exhausted. Mr. Nyati, people are saying that you are tired. Are you tired?
I'm not tired.
Are you tired?
I'll never be tired on this journey.
But you look tired, let's be honest.
I'm not tired.
You are not tired?
Because of running now up to that shop there.
Oh, all right. Anyway.
Okay.
The viewers, they were really concerned about you saying the driver looks tired.
Yeah, maybe it's because of running to the shop.
Oh, running to the shops.
Yeah, the quick exercise.
It's a quick exercise. All right. So, guys, I think we wanted to send the last time Motigari Chubuda, but they are still fixing one or two things. Brighton Nyakumbi. Brighton Nyakumbi, if I'm not mistaken, Vakafsheka say I got an accident. Yeah, he was involved in an accident. Was he a truck driver?
No, he was in a bantam like that.
Oh, okay, yeah. So anyway, guys, another encouragement about our police in Kuti. The police who really works. I know the Nyakumbi, they don't want to be on live, but to be honest, our call center is functioning very well. They've been calling people today. If can also to a phone, just be patient. unoreceiva call yako, but vanhu vazhinji mareceiva macalls enyu matofonerwa. So please take this as something that is very, very serious. This is the number 065-9418-015. Just send your name and your phone number, and then we'll definitely contact you. We are saved to serve, and will continue to. And the name of the police is called Great Hope Funeral Plan. Saka, you can find us on our Facebook. This is the platform for Facebook, our website, we have it. And I will tell you today, it was a bit hectic on ourselves. We removed many bodies during the Easter holiday, before Easter holiday. But I can tell you that 90% of the bodies that we removed today, vanhu vasina kana mapolicies, vanhu vakangoitosesu. Saka chakangokosha ndechekuti, please make sure that you have joined, you have taken the police with great hope. The benefits, they are very excellent, lucrative. Let me just remind you guys, there is a cashback bonus. There's a cashback bonus per policy yedu. We don't do medical examination. Children are covered. If the main member dies, the police will remain. Main member cover, sorry. Police inoramba irreactive. So those are some of the good. Our premiums, they are very affordable. We've got a policy for 99 rand per month. We've got another policy for 129, and then we've got another policy for 199. It's not dependent with your affordability. Which cover do I want to take? Which cover is very affordable to me? And for our parents and for extended family in Zimbabwe, these are people who are very important to us, guys. Please, let's not forget about them, because they will affect your pocket. You are forced to kubuditsa mari. Kune vanhu vekuti maneta nekubvisa macontributions enhamo pakati pashayika ngatite kanzati. Let's educate people, let's educate our brothers, let's educate our sisters to know there is a great hope policy whereby you can only pay 99 rand per month from 99, and the maximum cover amount premium is 189. So we'll end today. Please don't forget to like us on our Facebook page, share this live, tell your friends, your neighbors, your churchmates, now. Ask them, do you have a policy? So we'll try to make sure that when Mr. Nyati is in Mpumalanga with Bank, I think it's 3 hours from here to drive there, you will go there and make sure that pani live, so that the entire my family members, you'll be able to see the full service. Sorry Ngoma, ukomchacha full service anditi, both viewing vanhu vachiita ma speech vachiita say munamato and so on. Anditika. So in Mpumalanga, in Fitbank, guys, it's going to be a full service. You can join us. I won't be able to do the live, but I know Mr. Nyati is able to do that. So let's catch up later. Thank you very much for who has been watching us and who have been supporting us. And all my course, Nyakumbi, I want to thank you if you are watching me. Nyakumbi, who is in UK, she's the first person who approached me. We negotiated sisingaiti na Nyakumbi. Pakati mwanangu ndinokuziva, we haven't met yet, asatambosangana, but I've seen the good job that you do helping the Zimbabwean community. This is the current situation per family yakati, vane ma challenges akati. We need to make sure kuti wabatsirawo, and also I don't want to lie to you guys. Semwanawo okuti vanhu vakuru vakataura neni vakanzi mwanangu ito zvakati ngatishandewo vadzikisirewo ngatidai, ndiri munhu anoteerera. Saka tasvikawo pazuva ranhasi, vandifonera ndataura navo vanditi aiwa mwanangu, thank you very much, I know you will never disappoint me. So thank you very much mama, and we pray kuti dai Mwari angoramba achititungamirira, and we pray that may the Lord protect us against the evil. Thank you very much guys, and God bless you. We end our live now.